All right, Miss Boss, I am so excited. Do you remember that karaoke contest we were in last week
Yes.
for the teachers? We got honorable mention.
Oh my gosh.
And me and Miss Fleshman, we got honorable mention.
That's so exciting.
And we got a prize.
What did we get?
Do you want to see it?
Yes.
Okay, we got, dun-dun-dun, a chocolate bar.
Super fun.
Yes, and we also got $1. That's amazing.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so now we worked really hard together, the three of us,
Right.
and I thought about just like keeping it to myself, but then I thought the three of us need to share it fairly.
Right.
So I thought maybe we would start with the chocolate bar. I'm not exactly sure how to do that. Will you help me with that?
Yeah, let's open
Okay.
it up.
Okay, so let's see what we have in here. We want to fair share this chocolate bar with 3 people. And I see, ooh, cool. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There are 12 pieces in this chocolate bar. How many do you think we should each get?
I think we should each get 4.
Each get 4. Okay, let's try. I will take 4. All right.
Okay. I'll take 4.
Okay, and then we can give this 4 to Miss Fleshman. She's teaching hybrid, so she'll have to have it later. Hey, that makes me think about equivalent fractions. You know what? I got to write this down. I
Okay.
love equivalent fractions. So I noticed that I got 4 pieces, and there were 12 pieces altogether. So I got 4/12 of the chocolate bar. But when you think about it, I also got 1 piece out of 3 pieces that we broke it into. So I also got, another way to say that is 1/3 of the chocolate bar. 4/12 is equal to 1/3. That is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to eat this 1/3 of a chocolate bar later. We'll save it, okay? Okay, so now we have to work together on this $1.
Okay.
To see if we can figure out how to share it. Oh, I know, we just split it. Let's just split it like we did the chocolate bar. I'll just.
Oh, no.
Oh, what?
You can't rip it, because then if you rip it, you'll just have 3 pieces of $1. You won't really have $1.
Oh, you're right. That's not gonna work. Are there any other kind of pieces we can break it into?
We could break it into something smaller.
Smaller, like dimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you happen? I don't have any dimes. Do you happen to have the dimes?
do.
We can make a trade. Let's do that.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you $1 and you give me 10 dimes.
Perfect.
There we go. We made an equal trade. So we've got 10 dimes to share among 3 people. How about we'll start with 3. I'll take 3 of the dimes. So I've got 30 cents.
So then I have 3 too.
Okay. And how about we give 3 to Miss Fleshman?
Yeah.
Okay, you go for it. Okay, and we've got 1 dime left over. 3 for you, 3 for you, 3 for you, and 1 left over. I'll just keep this one because, I was the one who got the prize. And No? I can't keep it?
That's not fair. We need to split it more.
Oh, split it more. Well, I don't know how to. Oh, I know. Pennies.
Yes.
Do you happen to have 10 pennies we can make
I
a trade?
do.
Okay, I'll give you that. Fair trade. Now we have 10 pennies. We broke it into 10 parts again, just like we did for the $1. Wait a minute. I've got to keep track of what's happening here.
Okay.
And I was thinking about how this feels just like this grid. We had a whole $1, right? And first we split it into 10 equal parts, like these columns. And so I got 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. That's like my 3 dimes, right?
Right.
And then you took 3, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10 for you. And then we gave Miss Fleshman 1/10 and another dime and another dime. And there's that 1 that we have left over. And then we broke it into pennies, right? So we've got those 10 pennies. How about maybe I take 3 again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take 3 pennies.
I'll take 3, and then we can give 3 to Miss Fleshman too.
I think that sounds like a good idea. Okay, let's record that step. So I got 3, and you got 3, and Miss Fleshman got 3, and then there's that 1 left over down there. Whoop, and I'll take it, and I'll just put it in my piggy bank. And what?
No.
No.
You can't take that one. That wouldn't be fair. We have 3. You can't have 4.
Yeah, that's true. Can we split it into smaller pieces? Like we keep breaking it into 10 pieces and 10 pieces?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hey, look at this. We have this big penny we could imagine, because I don't know that there's really money pieces that are smaller than a penny, but we could
Right.
imagine that we took this big penny, and I don't know if you can see it, but we could like break it into 10 equal
Yeah.
pieces. And I think that's going to keep happening every time. Like, I would take 3, and you would take 3, and Miss Fleshman would take 3, and we'd still have 1 left over. So it feels like a pattern.
Yes.
Like every single time, break it into 10 pieces and give everybody 3, and then 1 more left over every single time. That's so cool. I kind of got to record. Let me record again what's happening. So when we figure out how much money we have all left together, remember we were sharing $1. For this marker does not work, Miss Boss. Well, that was my bad. All right, $1 we were sharing with 3 people. And so if I was to see how much money I got, right, I could see that I have 3 dimes. So that was $0, 3 dimes. And then I got 3 little pennies. Those are in the hundredths place. And then if we could break that penny up into 10 little pieces, I could have 3 little parts of a penny. And I bet it would just keep going and going and going. It would be like a repeating decimal.
Yes.
That's so cool.
Yes, there's actually another way that you can write it.
Okay, show me.
So you can take it, so your 3 keeps repeating. So
Yeah.
instead of writing 3 like a million times,
Okay.
you could just go 0.3, and then you just put a little bar over it.
Oh.
So that you know it's a repeating decimal.
I love that. 0 and 3/10 repeating. I've seen that before. Those are all, that's so cool. This whole week your class has been learning about how fractions are equal to decimals, and we just found out another one that we didn't know yet, which was 1/3. I love it. Thanks for helping me with that problem.
Thank you.
And I think I'm ready to enjoy this chocolate. Are you?
Me too,
Okay,
yeah.
let's do it.